In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to power your signature widget in your forms with Jotform Sign. This is an essential skill when you want to integrate e-signature functionality into your forms, ensuring a seamless and efficient way to collect signatures electronically. To start this process, first head over to jotform.com and sign in with your account credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll want to navigate to the My Forms section, which is essentially your workspace where all of your created forms are stored and managed. When you found My Forms, look through your list of existing forms and select the one you wish to modify. This selection will take you to the Forms editing interface. Once you're within the form editor, look to the upper left corner of your screen and click Add Element. This button is a gateway for adding a wide array of different functionalities to your form. A panel will pop up on the left, and from this menu, you'll want to find and select the Signature option. Click on it to add a signature widget directly into your form. This is an important step because the signature widget enables your form users to provide their signature digitally. Next, after adding the signature widget, locate the pen icon attached to the signature element. Clicking this icon will open the Jotform Sign settings, which gives you control over the signature functionalities. Once you're in the settings, make sure to enable Jotform Sign Automation. This setting is vital as it automates the capturing and storage of signatures, ensuring every signed form is neatly processed and organized. With automation enabled, there's one more critical step: selecting an email field. This choice is significant because it determines where the signed PDF and the accompanying audit trail will be sent. Typically, you'll want this to be the email of the individual filling out the form, ensuring they receive a copy for their records. This not only provides a confirmation of their submission, but also fosters transparency and trust in the electronic signing process. To wrap up, integrating the Jotform Sign functionality into your forms is a straightforward yet powerful way to enhance your form capabilities, making them more functional and professional. With this guide, you can now set up a robust signing mechanism within your forms, providing a polished e-signature experience to your users. Thanks for following along, and I hope you find this process easy and efficient as you integrate e-signatures into your Jotform workflows.